Good morning to all of you. I am your science teacher Nahid Fatma. On today I am going to teach you the first chapter, that name is living and the non-living world. You all know that there is so much differences between living and non-living things. When you see the animals, so what will you observe? Can you tell me? Okay. Living things have ability to move from one place to other place and to talk with other person, and they have ability to breathe by taking oxygens, and they are also able to eat their delicious foods or favorite food. They are also able to think about their future. Living things have also a special features, they can easily grow, but non-living things do not perform like this activity. They are not able to move from one place to another place, and they are not able to talk, and they are not able to breathe. That it means living things can do all activity, but non-living things do not perform any activity. Let us compare the animals with plants. Bees can fly with the help of wings. Cat can walk with the help of limbs. Fish can swim with the help of fins. But plants do not move like animal because they do not have any legs, wings, limbs as well as fins. But sometimes plants can respond toward the light. I think you can see properly the image of plants. Plants have various parts like leaf, roots, stems, flowers. When you keep the pot in the presence of light, then the stem of plant move toward light. Then such movement of stem is called phototropism, and you can also see in this figure. Now we study about geotropism. When you keep the pot in horizontal direction, then the roots of plants grow under the soil toward the earth. This movement of roots called geotropism, and you can also see that in this figure.